Hi, it's Stu from 3B. I want to give you something. It's a 30-page calibration guide for your TV. It's absolutely free. I've just spent the last few days sort of putting it together, and it details how you can easily get the best picture from your TV, what settings to adjust, how to adjust them, and also things that you really need to turn off. As I've said, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is go to the Patreon link. There's nothing to pay. Just simply join for free, and you will then be given the download link to download the PDF, which is a 30-page guide. It's just my gift to you, really. I'm trying to create content that's valuable to you, that provides you with something that you can really take away and use at home and gain some advantage from using. So that's my freebie to you. Go ahead, download it. Nothing to pay. It's all yours. You're welcome.